How to deposit USD in CIBC bank account. Gather your USD, cash or check, and ensure you have your CIBC account details ready. Now visit a CIBC branch or ATM. Go to your nearest CIBC branch and use a CIBC ATM that accepts cash or check deposits. Now log in or speak to a teller. At a branch, present your USD and account details to the teller. At an ATM, insert your debit card and enter your PIN. Now select deposit and choose your USD account. After that, insert cash or check. Cash, place your USD notes into the ATM or hand them to the teller. Check. Ensure it's signed and filled out, then insert it as prompted. Now, confirm the deposit. Review the deposit details and confirm the transaction. Now, collect your receipt. Take the receipt as proof of deposit for your records. Verify the deposit. Check your account online or through the CIBC mobile app to ensure the funds are credited. Quick, easy, and secure.